Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to learn more about statistics, exercise number 3, problem number 5. Question number 5. The given data is: the following table gives the distribution of the lifetimes of 400 neon lamps. Lifetime in hours: 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. Number of lamps: 14, 56, 60, 86, 74, 62, 48. Find the median lifetime of the lamp. So for this problem, we need to find the median. Now, for this problem, we need to find the median. What is the formula for median? Median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H is the formula. So here L means lower boundary of the median class, N means sum of the frequencies, CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, and F means frequency of the median class, and H means size of the median class. Now here in the table given lifetime in hours, number of lamps. Lifetime in hours, it is we are taking as a class intervals. Number of lamps we are taking as a frequency. One more column we need to write, that is cumulative frequency. Cumulative means step by step we need to add. Now first frequency as usual we are taking 14 means 14 only. 14 plus 56. So 14 plus 56 is 70. 70 plus 60, that is 130. 130 plus 86, that is 216. 216 plus 74, that is 290. 290 plus 62, that is 352. 352 plus 48, that value we are getting 400. Cumulative frequencies now we got it here. Now we need to find the n value. Sum of the frequencies we need to take. So 14 plus 56 plus 60 plus 86 plus 74 plus 62 plus 48, that is 400. Now we need to take sum of the frequencies. N equal 400. So you can find the n by 2 value. N by 2 equal 400 by 2, that equal to 1 the 200, 2 the 400. So n value we got it 200. So here 200 nearer above cumulative frequency. 200 nearer above cumulative frequency is 216. This line you have to underline it. This one we underlined. Now here 3000 to 3500 is the median class. So median class equal 3000 to 3500. You can find lower boundary. So that class lower limit, that median class lower limit, that preceding class upper limit, average we need to take. So lower boundary equal 3000 is the lower limit and upper limit is 3000. 3000 plus 3000 by 2, that equal 6000 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3000s are. So that value we got it 3000. So lower boundary we got here 3000. Next we need to take F. F means frequency of the median class. So frequency of the median class. So what is the frequency here? This F is the frequency, that is 86. Next CF you have to take. CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Preceding the median class. So what is here preceding one? Cumulative frequency, this class preceding means before that one we need to take, that is CF is 130. Next H, size of the median class. So size of the median class equal here 2000 minus 1500. 2000 minus 1500 is 500. Now you can write the median formula. Median equal L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. L, lower boundary. Lower boundary, how much we got it here? 3000 plus N by 2. N by 2 value is 200 minus cumulative frequency CF is 130 by F, frequency of the median class is 86 into 500, that equals 3000 plus 200 minus 130. 200 minus 130 is 70 by 86 into 500, that equals 3000 plus 70 into 5000, that is 35,000 by 86. Now we need to find 35,000 by 86. So you can divide it. 35,000 divides with 86. 86 for the, I am writing here. 86 for the 344 means 350 minus 344 is 6. Here this 0 we need to take. It is not possible. Again here take the 0 and this 0 have to take down. So 86 6 are 516. So here 4, here 9 minus 1 is 8. Already we here point you have to take this 0. 86 9s are 774. That is 6, here 3, 13 minus 7 is 6, 0 you can take it. Again 86 7s are 602, means here 8, here 5, 0. 86 6 are 516, means this value we got it here 3000 plus 406.976. That equal 3000 plus 406.976 is 3406.976. That equal approximate value we need to take. So 3406.98. So the median lifetime of a lamp is 3406.98. So here we used the formula for median. L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H is the formula. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.